Hey y'all, it's Carmen. I just wanted to come on and do some sharing with y'all and wish you a very good morning and hope you have an absolute blessed day. Yay, this happy mail finally arrived at my home. This one comes from Gina with Gina Loves to Craft, and we have been talking, and poor girl, she has been panicking over whether or not this package was lost. And luckily, it did show up. I just think I've got a major delay because of the address change. So I am getting I am finally starting to get some things. So thank you, Miss Gina. I love you, doll. She is so super sweet, y'all. If you watch her videos, you can just hear it in her voice, how stinking cute she is, how sweet she is. And I'm definitely leaving her link in the channel, so make sure you go check her out. But she's just that way, even with us talking not on camera. So I love it. She's a doll. And Gina, thank you so much for this. I knew when you told me that you had sent a package out, I've seen your packages, and you always overdo it, girl. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all, excuse me, I got my coffee over here in my throat. It's early in the morning, so I'm all husky and madly sounded. No. Excuse me. But she sent me a sweet card, and I know where she got these cards because I got some too. And it was just a really sweet card. I'm not going to read it on here. I've already read it, and thank you, Gina. That's so sweet. And I feel the same way, girl. I love getting to know you. Now, where do I begin? I'm going to start with this because she has hauled these so many times. And every time I probably make a comment of how jealous I am because I have not seen these at anywhere in my state. I mean, well, anywhere in my 30-minute radius of all my Dollar Trees. Not one ever. And I have been wanting one. I love coffee. And I'm wanting my kitchen in the coffee theme. And so I love it. I love everything about it. It's a little photo stand. If you watched her channel, and I'm sure you have, you've seen her haul these. So thank you, Gina. I finally got one. Yay. Okay. This is such a cute little notepad. I love paisley. Huge paisley. I love fall colors too. Again, excuse me. But it's just a little notepad, which, you know, I cannot get enough of those. I don't do, you know, like the journaling and stuff, but I'm always taking notes in not just one notebook. I have several for several different reasons. And I can't get enough of those. So thank you. And this is Wobblers. I've heard people talk about these. I have not seen them, but I cannot wait to use them. It will definitely be something new for me and different. So I appreciate that, girl. I just hope I don't fall in love and have to start buying a bunch of them. Because they are just, I've seen what people can do and they're just so cute. And of course, excuse me, y'all, I'm really struggling this morning. This is little birdies with some flowers. She knows I've been trying to build my stash of embellishments. So that helps. And those are all pretty. And they will go with so many different things. Thank you again, girl. Let me take another sip. Excuse me for that, y'all. And then this is sticky little, I love these colors. I hope I'm not wearing too much. But it's got little notepads and sticky notes inside. Look how cute those are. Love it. And girl, look at these. I do not have anything like this at all. Let's see. Is it front or back? I ain't got my glasses. I've got to start wearing my glasses, y'all. I'm so bad about that. Okay. I think. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what. I'm just not seeing things right. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, I thought it was. Yeah. I apologize. Sorry about all the crinkling. And I could have said, oh, well, I'll open up later. I just didn't want to do that. Gina deserves for me to show off her goodies, and I love them. So, oh, that'd be good on the edge. Yeah, I don't have anything like this, girl. Nothing. A little arrow. Oops, and I'm dropping them. Another, I'm just dropping them all over the place. Another corner piece. Oh, another arrow. Those are all awesome. Oops. Geez, I'm just all thumbs. Actually, nails. There's another one. And I love this design. Look how detailed and intricate. Those are awesome. Thank you, girl. I love them. I love dies, y'all. I love playing with them. I've actually learned a couple of new tricks about paper not getting stuck. I'm going to put these in here so I do not lose them. I don't know if y'all are like me and you're running your die cut through it, especially if it's new, it's fine. But after a few times, it just starts getting where every piece of paper is sticking. Well, I've looked up and looked up and looked up, and everybody has their own opinion. And I've tried one. I've got to get something different, and I may share that with y'all here soon if I get a minute, because it seems to be working. But thank you, Miss Gina. I love that. And this, Gina, let me know if I'm right on this. This is actually letters, but it's like material, like vinyl. And and they're all like stickers. I love that. I don't have anything like this. It's so different. I love it. Thank you. And a Tim Holtz collection stencil, which I have yet to start on that. So maybe this will encourage me to get started on doing some stenciling. I love the pumpkins and the chevron. Thank you. And then she got me some little stamps. And that's so cute. Little cat with a little butterfly on the tail. And of course, I love my puppies. Hero Arts. And I was trying to say that, yeah, Hero Arts and, is that Printworks? Yeah, Printworks collection. Here, kitty, kitty. And that just makes me think of a YouTube song from way back. Kitty, kitty. If you know what I'm talking about, give me a thumbs up. And oh my gosh, I cannot stop playing with this. I love this. It is so soft. It's like real. I just keep wanting to put it up to my face. And it's got the tassel, and I'm going to actually hang this up in my room. I don't want to use it because it's just too pretty and I don't want nothing to happen to it. I love fur. I love soft. I love, excuse me. I love anything girly. I'm saving that because I'm floored. And then of course, Gina, are these LOL girls? They look like it. It says gorgeous, beautiful, harmonious, and darling. And again, I do not have anything like this. The only gorgeous, the LOL girl, stuff that I got is I bought for y'all and did a giveaway. So I love this. I have been working on my stamping. And so this is going to come in handy. So next thing she sent me was this notebook. Or would this be considered a journal? But either way, it doesn't matter because I love it. It is so thick and it is such good quality. You can definitely tell the difference in notebooks. And it says, live, love, laugh. And of course, we've always got to do that. So love it. The butterflies, yay. And it's just a notebook with print. It's like a purple. Very light. And like I said before, I always am using notebooks. And this one I'm going to designate to something specific. So thank you, girl. I appreciate this so much. And then not only did she send all that, she also sent Prima packets. And I am so excited. Prima is one of my favorites. I have a couple. I'm not huge on brands. Y'all know that. I've mentioned that before. I just like what I like. But it does seem that Prima, I can't find anything yet that I don't like. That's for sure. And I got my first pack of ephemera. So thank you for that, girl. No, I do not go and buy ephemera. It's hard for me because if it comes in a kit, that's fine. If I get it as a gift, even better. But it's hard because, I don't know, because I feel like I can fussy cut everything and I'm just cheap, y'all. What can I say? But I just love this and I'm so excited to play with it. I've got a project actually I'm going to probably start on today with that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is the journaling note cards. And I love these because it can be used for so much more. And one of the things I have in mind is basically when I send out Happy Mail and I don't have the card to say just the right thing, but I want somebody to, just have a good quote to make them feel good. I can pop one of these in there like this one. Don't stress. Do your best. Forget the rest. So if somebody's going through a hard time, sometimes when they get something like this and they just see that quote and they know that you specifically picked out for them, it just makes them smile. At least it does me. So I love that. And not only that, I can do so much crafting with this little book. Love that. Tea, also known as a struggle struggle. Oh my gosh. Tea, also known as a snuggle in a cup. So for, I love my tea, and I'll drink hot tea during the winter, but usually I am not. I'm a Southern girl, so we gotta have our iced tea. And I love my coffee, so I think coffee is a snuggle in a cup. But anyway, these are just so awesome. You gotta nourish the flourish. It's just so beautiful. Look at that print, Dance Forever. How can you just not love Prima prints? I don't know. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. You're wild and free. Sometimes I try to be. The sign of a beautiful person is that they always see the beauty in others. Oh my goodness, I love that. That is so true. That is so true. Everybody will not, if you really are a beautiful person, and I know many of you are because I've gotten to know you, that is really true. You don't look at the negative or judge from the beginning. You always see the good in the others. And I love that. I love that about this community. I love that about y'all. Love every bit of your quirky self. Oh yeah, I have to. If not, I'd be embarrassed all the time. But hey, I'm me. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. Oh, wow. Wow. That one right there is a little demon for me. I do have a huge fear. Let you in. I don't like to fail. And that's pretty major for me. But anyway, I'm just kind of rambling. So I just wanted to share y'all because y'all, Gina is just, I know probably everybody on my channel already knows her because she is just that awesome. But if you do not, please go check her out. You will not be disappointed. I can't wait till she's able to get some crafting done and I get to see some of her goodies. I know she's no longer working. And so, girl, I wish you the best with that. And I'm here if you need me for anything. I love you all. I wish you all the best. Do me a favor. If you're new to my channel and you have not yet, please subscribe. Hit that bell. Let you know that, when I upload a video. And I've got some project shares that are coming very, very soon. I have been busting my hiney the last couple of days. But I had to share this and wanted to let y'all know to be sure to check out Sweet Gina. Thank you, girl. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I wish you all the best.